Using Printful for print-on-demand services is a great way to start an online store without inventory. Here's how to get started. Create an account. Visit the Printful website and sign up for a free account. Fill in your details and verify your email. Integrate your store. Connect Printful to your e-commerce platform by navigating to the integration section. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Choose products. In the Printful dashboard, browse the extensive catalog of customizable products, including clothing, accessories, and home decor. Select the items you want to sell. Design your products. Use Printful's design tools to upload your artwork or create custom designs. Preview how your designs will look on the products and make any necessary adjustments. Set up pricing. Determine your pricing strategy by adding a markup to the base price of each product. This ensures you cover production costs and earn a profit. Publish your products. Once you're satisfied with your designs, publish them to your online store. Printful will automatically sync your products and inventory. Manage orders. When a customer places an order, Printful handles production and shipping directly to them, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service.